Any piece of gear that helps you improve your workflow is a piece of gear worth investing in. After trying out a couple of them, I have managed to shortlist 5 of my favorite camera accessories that help smoothen my workflow. Let me share what they are with you. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bernard and welcome to the channel. So 2020 is coming to an end, and after a year of making product reviews, I have come across a couple of products that I think could really help you improve your workflow. I will be listing the items in the order of price and starting from the cheapest. The first item, which is UURig's RFS Quick Filter System, which costs $27. Basically, what this accessory allows you to do is to remove or place a filter on in a matter of seconds. Apart from the efficiency and the convenience of this system, I do appreciate not having to worry about where to store my filters if I do want to remove them. Usually, when I remove a filter, I either keep it in my pocket where I risk scratches or smudges, or keep it back in a pouch, which is very time consuming. Neither method is ideal. With this accessory, your filter is safely stored above your lens where it remains very accessible until you need it again. I use this accessory the most when I'm in a shooting situation where I have to switch between indoors and outdoors frequently. I also use this a lot if I have to toggle between photo mode and video mode often. But of course, this accessory doesn't come without flaws. One of the problems I face is vignetting. As the accessory pushes your filter further away from the lens, at wider focal lengths, you are prone to seeing vignetting. This was shot at 24mm. The vignetting is no longer visible when you zoom to 35mm. This vignetting problem worsens when you add a step-up ring to adapt this accessory to smaller lenses or when you shoot at an even wider focal length. In conclusion, this filter system provides the ultimate convenience. However, I would only recommend that you use it on tighter focal lengths, preferably 35mm and above. The next item is from SmallRig, and it is the AAK2213 folding tool, which is priced at $29. I contemplated buying this for the longest time because I think it is very expensive for what it is. But ever since having it, I've enjoyed the convenience of being able to use one item to rig up all my gear. Apart from the convenience, I do feel that my gear is more secured after using the folding tool as compared to using a coin or a small Allen key. I would say that the biggest flaw of the product is the price. Another small problem is that the screws here tend to come loose after you twist this a couple of times. It is pretty annoying having to tighten this every now and then. The third accessory is the Peak Design Capture Clip version 3, which is at $85. Among all the items on the list, this is my favorite by far, and I would totally recommend you to get this before anything else. In a nutshell, what this clip allows you to do is to store your camera in a safe and secure place to keep your hands free. Essentially, this is like a camera strap but better. When using a camera strap, it tends to bounce about when you are walking and it keeps hitting you in the process. That is not only uncomfortable, but I'm pretty sure it's not good for your expensive piece of equipment. With the camera secured to the chest, the bounce is significantly reduced and it stays clear of all the moving parts of your body. Honestly, I can't think of any flaws for this product, and I think the price is very reasonable for what it offers. The fourth item on the list is the iFootage C-Stars Quick Release System. This item is priced at $105, but I have good news. Head over to the different website and use the discount code DaveBernard for $10 off this item or anything else in the store with a minimum spending of $100. Anyways, let's get back to why this accessory is a great piece of gear to add to your kit. Have you ever faced the tediousness of having to switch your fluid head from your tripod to your monopod or onto your slider? With the C-Star Quick Release System, you can now do so in a matter of seconds. I think that the demonstration earlier clearly shows the benefit of having this accessory. If you are looking for cheaper alternative quick release systems, you might want to consider these two products. This is the Ulanzi Claw, but it is only suitable for smaller and lighter gear. You can also get it from Different as well at $29.90. Zhiyun also has its own version of a quick release system and it is priced the lowest, but I must say it does not feel as good as the Ulanzi Claw. The last accessory, which is a well-known one, is the SmallRig Cage. You have to get a cage based on your camera model and the price varies. The total cost will also vary depending on the accessories you pick to go along with it, but having this cage is awesome. In general, I feel like having a cage gives you a better overall handling experience, and it also gives your footage a more cinematic look. It also allows you to attach a large range of accessories that will otherwise be impossible without a cage. The downsides of having a cage is that your camera becomes much bulkier, which makes storage a little bit more inconvenient, and the added weight feels significant when carrying for extended periods of time. On top of that, I think that the price is rather high, but it is what it is and we just have to deal with it. This pretty much summarizes the top 5 accessories that I personally use, and I hope that you'll find one or two of them equally useful for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. That's it for today, it's a wrap!